What's up, Dapper Cracker? Back at you. We got the other 4L7s in, man. I am so flippin' happy. Oh my goodness. That's what we're working with. We got 4 more of them. So that's a total of 6. Going in something. I don't know. I just had to have them. And they are pretty much. Let's do the old Big D trick here. We're gonna have to dump them out. Oh God, they're flipping heavy. Oh my goodness. That's them. So I need 2 more. So I know I've got 6, but 2 of them don't match the ones in base Buru. These are the newer version with the black Solo logo. And they are 44 LS715D2s. They're pretty. Got the blue badging on them, which you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So things are gonna get loud. Had to go back to my roots, people, man. Kicker's what started me off. If it wasn't for 2 kicker 10s and an S10, I wouldn't be a OG airbender today, people. Let's look at them. I'm gonna set you guys back up here real quick. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're flipping heavy. Well, I love them, and I think they're going to get loud on 2 Goliath 4Ks. I think they ought to make some noise. They are definitely pretty, but I need 2 more so I can have a matching set. I just don't like to run them out of symmetry. I'm a symmetrical kind of guy. I like it all nice, neat, and discreet. God, I need some more light in here. There's that L7 logo right there. But I got them in. Alright, peoples. Just an update. I'm going to try to throw them in a Lincoln or a Maverick or something. We'll make something cool with these. Something nobody's ever seen. I'm going back to my roots. Dapper Cracker out.
That's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be